Is your 2014 Nissan Qashqai's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door latch microswitch, key fob, or the body control module. First, check if the door ajar light is illuminated on your dashboard when all doors are closed. If so, a faulty microswitch is likely the cause. Next, test your key fob by replacing the battery or trying the spare. Synchronization issues can also trigger false alarms. Finally, consider a BCM reset, which can clear erroneous memory. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like BEAN49 or U1000. Remember, colder climates exacerbate microswitch failures due to moisture. To fix the 2014 Qashqai alarm issue, start with the door latch microswitch. Inspect the door latch microswitch for wear or corrosion. Replace if faulty using part number 25360-1A0A. Next, reprogram your key fob. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds near the vehicle. Lastly, perform a BCM reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to discharge capacitors. For advanced resets, Nissan Consult software is needed, typically done by dealers. If these methods fail, seek professional servicing, as BCM software updates might be required. Regular microswitch inspections and cleaning can prevent future issues.